Bonjour! Je m'appelle Mademoiselle Teresa Medvedev. So today we're going to do is a tutorial about the indefinite and definite article in French. So now guys, we will tackle about the definite article. In English, there is only one definite article and the word is the. But in French, there are four definite articles. The one is nous, la, li, and l apostrophe. In French word, there are things that they consider as feminine and masculine. So when we're gonna use the word feminine, we would put la. But if it is a masculine, we're gonna put le. And when it's plural, we put le. And when it starts with the vowel letters, we're gonna put L apostrophe. So now we're gonna tackle first about le. When the word has a plural word, we're gonna put le. An example of that is the table. In English, the table. But in French, you're gonna put le. Le table. Le table. So our second definite article is the L apostrophe. It is used when the word has a vowel letters. So our first example is the tree. In French, l'arbre. L'arbre. Le pre. Le pre. Le pre. Le pre. Le pre. So our second definite article is L apostrophe. It is used when a word has a vowel letter. Or sometimes the word starts with letter H. Yeah. Remember that when the word has a vowel letter and starts with letter H, sometimes it can be put as the L apostrophe in French as a definite article. Example is the tree. In French, le pre. Le pre. There's a letter E and it's a vowel letter. That's why we use the L apostrophe. Next example is the hospital. And in French, it is pronounced as l'hôpital. L'hôpital. The word starts with letter H. That's why we put the L apostrophe. So now our third definite article is la, which is feminine in gender. There are words that ends in letter E, which described as feminine in French. But not all the words that ends with letter E can be described as feminine, because there are also words that is described as masculine. And they say that in French, there are 75% of the word that is described as feminine. First example, the tomato. The tomato. In French, la tomate. La tomate. Next example, the table, la table. La table. Next example, the chair. In French, la chaise. La chaise. So our fourth definite article in French is le, which is described as a masculine. If you would understand or define the word if it is masculine, if it ends with any letters, but not only with letter E. So first example is the cinema. In French, le cinéma. Le cinéma. Next, the bag. In French, le sac. Le sac. So now I'm gonna give you some examples on how to determine a definite article in French, which are la, li, lu, and L apostrophe. When the word starts with letter H, what definite article would you use? Yes, if you're gonna use the L apostrophe because it starts with letter H. Example, the hospital. Put L apostrophe l'hôpital, l'hôpital. In the first word of the word hospital, we're gonna put the L apostrophe because it starts with letter H. And it's gonna be pronounced as l'hôpital, l'hôpital. The next example is follow, follow. In English, the balloons. Which definite article would we use? It's le. Because there's a S in the ending of the word, we're gonna put the le because of the S. There's so many, right? So many nouns. Because there's a S on the ending of the word. So we're gonna put the definite article le. Le follow. Le follow. Next example, the book. The book. Livre. 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 Now guys, we're gonna talk about is the indefinite article in French. In English, there's only one, and it is a. In French, there are two. Un and un. Un is described for masculine and un is described for feminine. You would only use an and un if the word is singular, but in plural, we're gonna use as the. The. When the word is plural. The first indefinite article that we're gonna talk about is un, which is masculine in gender. We would describe an when the word ends with any letter with but not in letter E, which is pronounced as e. First example natin, a train. In French, a train. Un train. Next, a book. Un livre. Un livre. And now we're gonna talk about is the un, which is a feminine in gender. The indefinite article un is used when the word ends with letter E and it is described as a feminine. So our first example is a table. In French, une table. Une table. Now, when we're gonna use is a plural word, we're gonna use as de. So, example, this is table. Table. Because it's a plural word and it's described as an object, it would be a plural word. And we're gonna use the table. For it to be an indefinite article that has a plural word. The table. The table. And okay, that's all for our indefinite and definite article, and I hope you understand in this tutorial. And bonjour, and that's all. Bonjour, and thank you for watching. Bye!